Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact path and safety. Use a stud and live voltage detector to avoid surprises. Once located, mark entry and exit holes at the ideal height. Use a 1/2 drill bit for a clean guide hole. You drill shallow pilot holes first, then cut the drywall opening with a keyhole saw to fit a low-voltage bracket. Make sure to leave enough slack for terminations. Clamp cable jacket for protection. You're now ready to feed fish tape through the wall cavity immediately. You push the fish tape through the cavity until it reaches the destination hole. If friction occurs, apply a little cable lubricant and rock the tape gently. Once the tape tip is visible, secure the Ethernet cable with electrical tape, tapering the joint to avoid catches, and pull slowly from the far side. Make sure to maintain gradual curves, no sharp bends, and keep the cable on the insulation side of studs. If you hit an obstruction, retract slightly and wiggle, while applying steady tension, until the cable passes. You trim the jacket, separate pairs, and terminate to a keystone jack following the T568B pattern unless T568A is required. Punch down carefully to avoid nicking conductors. Once terminated, snap the jack into the wall plate and secure with screws. Use a clamp inside the cavity for strain relief. Then test the run with a cable tester for continuity, shorts, and correct pairing. If the tester fails, re-terminate one end, check pair order and crimps, and retest. This single check resolves most faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.